So Samsung Mobile posted an article today, and I thought it was kind of funny because it's actually very true. So they talked about how the brand new Samsung foldable laptop looks like an oversized Galaxy Z Fold 4. And if you look at it, it really freaking does look like a Galaxy Z Fold 4 that is oversized. Now, of course, how do these laptops work? Well, it's one display. It's one display that folds onto itself just like a Galaxy Z Fold 4. Now, based on seeing pictures of it, I don't think it has any crease down the middle. I don't believe at least it has any crease down the middle. So it actually works out pretty dang well. Now, of course, if you want to, you can make that half the display a keyboard, which of course then lets you kind of get that real life aspect ratio of this is an actual laptop. Now, of course, you can switch that keyboard out and just get rid of it. It doesn't matter. This is the future of laptops and foldable devices. Now, of course, Samsung releasing this kind of, begs the question at another company that could release something very similar to this. Microsoft. So yes, we have heard rumors over the last pretty much 2.5 years now of a Surface Neo could possibly be on the horizon. Now, I feel like this would be a perfect transition for Microsoft to give us a same exact concept as a Samsung foldable laptop, but when it comes to an actual Surface Neo. Now, the difference between, of course, Surface Neo and a Z Fold 4 in this foldable laptop is, of course, this is one display, while a Neo / Surface Duo would be two separate displays put together by Hinge. Now, when you're getting into that atmosphere, yes, it would work. Don't get me wrong. It would absolutely work to have a Surface Neo, but it wouldn't be as, impressive, or people go after it as much as they would this foldable phone screen and foldable computer screen. So, right here, it does say this could be the same Galaxy Book Fold 17 concept. There's a striking similarity between this patented concept designed for the Galaxy Book Fold 17 showcased at by Samsung at SID 2021. However, this patent design also appears to have a narrow aspect ratio than the Book Fold 17, which makes it makes it look more like an oversized Galaxy Z Fold 4. Now, the cool thing about this is we've already heard rumors right now, currently just rumors, that Samsung might not be done when it comes to the foldable phone market when it comes to just their Z Fold series. There has been rumors that they're going to come out with another foldable phone, another foldable device of some kind. And obviously, yes, the foldable laptop has already been shown off. It's already been talked about. But they might be in the area of either a different type of phone, which they've already said they're not doing a tri-fold phone, they're not doing a slidable hinge phone. They might be going with possibly a bigger kind of tablet like Z Fold 4. Make that a little bit bigger, kind of like how the Surface Neo was a concept, and release that for a different market. And you could even, they could even not add any type of phone connectivity to it and make it cheaper. That could actually work out pretty well. Imagine instead of having, because a lot of people buy the Z Fold 4 because they like the tablet-like aspect and they like to actually use it like a tablet. Not everyone buys it because of the fact that, oh, this is a cell phone, I want this as my daily driver. A lot of people just want to have fun with it and use the device. If they release the same exact device, a little bit bigger and a little bit less of a price tag, that could work out pretty well for Samsung. Again, really piggybacking on the fact that Microsoft fumbled the bag with not giving us a Surface Duo Neo. Nonetheless, guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I don't want to make this video too long. I just kind of want to hear your thoughts and opinions. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. I'm hoping you guys are having an amazing Thanksgiving with your family, with your friends. I appreciate you guys watching the channel still, watching the content. It means the absolute world to me. But moving forward, we're going to have a really exciting 2023. And the closer we're getting to it, the more I'm excited, because the tech industry is going to absolutely take off in 2023. Foldable phones, regular phones, you name it, I'll be covering it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.